Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Companies listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange have reported a variety of activities. Jamaica Broilers Group Limited unaudited financials for the 9 months ended January 31, 2025 reports a 72% decline in 9 months net profit attributable to shareholders. Everything Fresh Limited audited financials for the 12 months ended December 31, 2024 reports a 70% decline in year-end net profit attributable to shareholders. JetCon Corporation Limited audited financials for the 12 months ended December 31, 2024 reports 12 months net loss of $74.26 million. Sterling Investments Limited audited financials for the year ended December 31, 2024 reports 40% decline in year-end net profit. With a focus of running her consulting firm focused on driving revenue for clients, BusinessWorks CEO Andrea Livingston Prince has a controversial stance to the research that women continue to under-earn men while outperforming in the space of education. And her confidence in being controversial when it comes to women's power of earning is based on a background as a seasoned project manager with expertise that spans project design, business management, export development, and financial planning. We learn more. The Planning Institute of Jamaica recently released a research to show that the state of Jamaican women are that we're higher in education and lower in salary than our male counterpart, and that has brought up a controversy in financial planning. And to talk to us about what that controversy is Andrea Livingston Prince, researcher and CEO of BusinessWorks. Andrea, what is this controversy facing women in Jamaica?
Thank you so very much, Denise, and thank you for this program and this opportunity to spread the gospel of business development. So that's not a surprise to many of us, especially for those that are that are students at the tertiary level. They're not surprised about that. What I and my team at BusinessWorks would like to see is, so what? So what? What next? What's next? There are many societies, many developed societies, which have that statistic.
But it's leading to choices with their funding and how they're planning money.
Yes.
And that's the controversy.
There's no controversy.
Okay.
You choose what you want to do from that point on.
Right.
Is your mindset that because your man makes less than you, it's going to, you see him as any less than you?
No, well, what we mean, Andrea, and I love this conversation. Do you know that most of the persons who file bankruptcy are also women?
There you go. So what does that mean? It means that we need to know the why and then deal with the why. So again, I'm at, so what? What does that mean? And we don't research as much as we use research. So we answer the so what. So along with our clients, you have that fact, right?
Yes.
You earn less than your husband even though you're more qualified than he is. What does that mean for you? What's your next move?
Right.
You need to decide what your options are. Do you leave and go to another organization? Do you invest in a business that will give you the amount that you think you deserve? Do you migrate? What do you do? So what? So what? Do you sit and gripe about the injustice of life?
Yes.
Okay. Do you find yourself in the room with PIOJ's agents and so on, Ministry of Labor and Productivity Center and the Jamaica Services Coalition and PSOJ and Jamaica Chamber of Commerce? What do you do?
Right.
So what?
Okay.
There you go.
And there you go. So for this business report, we asked, so what? The PIOJ have put out the state of the Jamaican woman, and Andrea Livingstone Prince says, so what? Make a decision, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. For the trading period ending March 31, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 15,171,675 units traded, representing 26.73% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 5,596,987 units traded, representing 9.86% of market sales volume. Gaming and entertainment business Supreme Ventures Limited with 4,083,908 units traded, representing 7.19% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On March 31, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $73.33 million purchased and US $66.98 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.27 per dollar, selling the US at $158.40 and buying the US at $157.13. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $3.44 per transaction, with selling at $110.40 and buying at $106.96. The British pound yielded Forex traders $3.16 in profit, with selling at $203.40 and buying at $200.24. For our credit report tip of the day, your bank can be a valuable partner in your financial recovery if you know how to build the right relationships. A strong financial team at your bank can provide guidance, access to resources, and personalized support to help you rebuild your credit and secure funding for future investments. For example, having a good relationship with the branch manager can help you access special programs and make it easier to secure financial assistance. Or you can sign up for a secured credit card. A secured credit card backed by a deposit can help you rebuild credit while demonstrating responsible credit usage. Now, professional women over the age of 45 can move from financial recovery to financial resilience. One powerful strategy: asset swapping, the practice of leveraging what you already own to regain financial momentum. It's about repositioning your resources, whether real estate, stocks, intellectual property, or business assets, to generate new cash flow. Here are suggestions to unfreeze your finances and build financial resilience. Sell unused land or property. Convert dormant assets into liquidity. You can use an equity release, which is to use a home equity line of credit for reinvestment or debt management. You can sell or lease equipment, business tools, machinery, or even luxury goods can be a rental income stream. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.